Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in additional of the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 16th, 2023. Because it's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku number 7111. 7111. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, we have here 2 2s, we have here 4 3s. Alright, we have here 2 4s, we have here 4 5s. Alright, we have here 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 5s are in majority. The question is, can I start with the 3? Yeah, 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. 3 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5? Well, will be difficult. Will be difficult here. Also 5, 5. Let me see. 1, 1. How about? Need a 6 here. We have a no, we don't have a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next only place left for the 7. Should be there. 5 missing numbers now in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in the third row could be here or there. We see another 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. Alright. Well. The 4 here. 4, 8, 9. Well, these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. And then 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. That means 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 5 here, and I need a come on. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 9, the 3, and 8. We have a 9 and a 3 and 8 in this row, so no 9, 3, and 8 in these 2 boxes. 9, 3, and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. 9, 3, and 8. 9, 3, and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay, 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So on that row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 8. 6, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? 4, 4. Need 2 here. Need 3 there. 8. I'm thinking. 3, 5, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 1. Need a 9 here. We have a pair. The 3 and a 9 in the first column. The 3 and a 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 place level. The 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Okay. So now, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this column, third column, could be here, could be there. Here or there, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. 1, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1. Here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 should be here. So the 2 and the 7 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and the 7. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Come on. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Well, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 2. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So 2 could be here, or there. Well, we see another 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6, 8, 9. 6, 6. 8 and 9. Well, need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. 4. 9, 4, and that need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Well, we have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, so this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Well, Well, 6, 8, 9. We have here 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Here we have a 9. Here we have a 9 that means in this middle row. The only 2 places left for 9 could be here or there. We see another 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next to that column. Only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8, okay. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. I need a 6 here. Okay. Well. 2 and the 7. Need a 2 here. 2 there, okay. 2 here. Well. Need a 6 here. How about 1, 7. 1, 7, and need a 5. 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 in this column. Last column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the only place left for 5 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Wow. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 3. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2, 7, 8. Okay. And now. Well. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. We have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. So 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So now we have the final 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well, don't believe it's 4 stars. Don't believe it's 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm not faster than 15 minutes. It's a 2 stars puzzle. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.